Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. I'm here at Las Vegas, Nevada. Today in this vlog, I'm just going to get you guys on a helicopter ride with me. We are going to fly over the famous Las Vegas Strip. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and start watching this video. I booked my helicopter tour with Maverick helicopters. It's pretty simple. You can just look for them in the website. Everything is given in a very detailed view. And to reach this helipad location, you can use your own transportation or you can opt for the transportation given by the company where they will pick you up and drop you off at the hotel. As I wished, I got a perfect spot in the helicopter next to the pilot. Las Vegas Strip looks pretty incredible from any location, but for the ultimate view, you have to take this helicopter ride. They not only fly over Las Vegas Strip, they also fly over the most iconic Grand Canyon. It was quite noisy inside the helicopter, but then with the headsets on, it was okay. We could able to chat with each other inside the helicopter. Also, the pilot gave us some basic information before we took off. And when we took off, the adrenaline rush was pure magic. And also, I was able to see the amazing view of my life, the glowing lights of Las Vegas Strip. I had an excellent view from my front seat. I was able to see the city in a completely new angle. I was able to see some casinos and hotels and famous spots like Luxor, Venetian, Trump. And when we were about to get to the stratosphere, the pilot slightly angled the flight around the observation deck, which was amazing. And throughout the trip, the pilot was chatting with us about the history of Las Vegas and some of the spots around the trip. The flight lasted about 15 minutes and carried up 22 miles up down the strip from the casinos and hotels onto the south end of the Fremont Street and downtown Las Vegas towards the north. I wish to show you guys the raw video of the helicopter experience, but since the noise was so bad, I was not able to show you guys the raw video. That's why I've added some music underneath so that you guys also can enjoy the view as much I did. flying over the Las Vegas Strip is a real bucket list stuff. So if you're around Las Vegas or in Las Vegas, please do look up for this activity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. We'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.